welcome to Alaska. On behalf of Southwest Airlines, especially this flight crew, we'd like to welcome you to Dallas, where the local time is 10:22. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until we arrive at the gate and the captain turns off that fasten seatbelt sign. Also, folks, please use caution when opening those overhead bins. Items tend to shift around during flight and they could fall out. You may now use those cell phones, but only if they are within arm's reach. Again, remain seated, leave all those carry-on stowed. Be advised, folks, nope, actually this flight is terminating. Double check those seat back pockets. Make sure you have all your belongings once you deplane. We can't let you back on to retrieve anything left behind, so make sure you have everything with you before deplaning. Also, make sure those masks are up over your nose and your mouth as you exit the aircraft. And also, as a courtesy to those around you, please allow plenty of room between you and the person ahead of you as you are deplaning. Thank you so much for choosing us here at Southwest. Go out and have a great week. Stay warm, drive safe on these roads. Come back and see us soon. Welcome to Dallas. Gonna go ahead and turn these cabin lights on, so just prepare your eyes. It's gonna get a little bright.